Alrighty, so we are looking at an apartment in an area called Buenavista. This is near Colonia, Mexico, I believe. This is in the north. This is I guess, the commons area where you can come hang out at. You come in through the gate, and right off the gate, you can drive up to your thing. There's a restaurant inside.
In the morning.
Okay.
In the morning.
So they serve breakfast here in the morning time, etc. Gracias. So this is brand new. Is this part open yet? So I guess they will be serving breakfast here. Yeah, it look like they got some drinks in there. I like this area. Have a area where you can come out here and use the grill. Oh, that's nice. Look like there's two of them there. Another one here. Swimming pool. And look like they got something.
Yoga.
What is that, Eve?
Yoga, para yoga, salón para yoga.
Ah. So it look like upstairs you can come up here, and they got a yoga room. Let's take a look. Ah, okay. So they do some yoga exercises up here. Pretty neat, and regular exercise, because I see the bands and stuff like that. Oh, this is nice. So you get access to this in this apartment. All right, so let's go back downstairs. This young lady here wanted something more modern, newer, more upscale options. So that's what we are looking at. 24-hour security guard there when you come in. Ooh, today was a busy day. We had a 4-hour tour today. We took a guy out to look at some houses. He found one. He put an offer in on the house. So I guess these are townhouses here. She wanted to live in a building that was not on the ground floor. Buenas tardes. So this would be the building. So it looks like they have, and they have an elevator. Uh-huh. All right, so we are on the 5th floor. Ah, nice neighborhood.
Very.
Yeah.
Cerca.
See, this is nice. I'm gonna get an angle. Oh, they got a washing machine built in here, huh?
So weird.
Yes.
Well, at least they made space available. Space they had.
Yeah, that is pretty slick. So they made space for a washing machine. Okay, 2 ceiling fans in here as well.
How much is this one?
15,000 pesos. Let me get a view outside. Doo-doo-doo. This is the view outside. Huh? Yeah. Gracias. All right, so 1 bedroom, Plenty of cabinet space here.
But you got out the door.
I'm back out here, look out this window.
And there's even more storage space here.
And here's the bathroom. Here's the shower. Alrighty. That's a what, queen bed, matrimonia. Okay.
Yeah, I looked inside. It's nice.
Like they have some recessed lighting up here that goes all the way around. So I can imagine that looks good at nighttime. So about 15,500 pesos. I think it's about $850 or $70. In this part of town, you're going to tend to spend a little more. You're not going to get as much space, but if you're looking for the modern look, new look, accessibility, close to everything in this area, you know, you're going to pay a premium for that. You know, this is a really nice area as a whole. Very close to Central, very close to the north. You can get to the beach in a reasonable amount of time, 30 minutes or so. So again, you weigh your pros and your cons.